This right here is a Creality K1, and it's on its side. Why on earth is it on its side, you ask? Well, because we've got a new motherboard. Oh, nice. So it's time to get my Creality screwdriver set out. Snazzy. Check out these here bolts. Ooh, big reveal. So here is the old one. I cut myself doing this. Here's the new one. Now, should I try and power this up before I put the bottom back on again? Nah. Tip it the right way back up without doing an Uncle Jesse. Plug the power cable back in and switch it on. We've got power. We've got the lights. We're still booting. Here we go then. Cloud, and now it's doing a self-check. We've got good vibrations. It's working. Yes!